Welcome to Teresa's Garage. Today we are going to talk to you about jukeboxes. I love to restore jukeboxes, and this model right here is a 60s model, Seeburg, and the 60s, the designs weren't as classic as your 50s models for your jukeboxes, 30s, 40s, 50s. They all had a unique style. Then they went to the console style. Well, these were problemsome. They were very problematic, and I found a way to make these functional without using the original components, and I'm going to explain that to you really quick. I discovered a company back east that actually has a adapter that adapts the pulse to digital, and the jukebox can work using a computer and a small amplifier. So let me show you what those look like. Right now you are looking inside the jukebox, and you can see right here I have an amplifier, very inexpensive amplifier, and then down here is actually a computer. And I only have Windows XP on this one. You can pick up these computers, $25, $50. You don't need anything very fancy. It comes with a software that you install so that you can actually download songs and put them to the numbers and letters that coincide on the jukebox, and we'll explain that here in a minute. But down here I have a splitter so that I can put dual cable on the audio out. And because the computer is actually going to run the jukebox, and I'm going to show you. And the sound is, there's no deterioration in sound. So let me show you the component that actually hooks up to the jukebox. Now right here, this is the piece that makes this all happen. And if you look, it has this white cable. And down here on the computer, it actually plugs into where your monitor would go. And then this other end goes up to the wall box, and we'll show you that. Okay, now I know this, the lighting's a little bad right now because there's light coming in the window, but if you see right here, we have this cable that's coming out of the wall box, this green cable right here. That's the wiring that is going to go to the speakers in the jukebox, because I want to use the original speakers with this jukebox because they come with great sounding audio speakers. And then this is the box right here, and I'll post the company's website here shortly, so that if you're interested, you can pick up these jukeboxes for like $200-300, maybe even $100, $50, depending on if somebody just wants to get rid of them. You gut it, you take out the original mechanism, they call it the mech. You take the mech out, and as you can see, and we'll show again, that you can't even see the components. You don't even know that a computer is running this jukebox. So then what you do is, after you get all this wiring, and it's very explicit in the wiring diagrams that they send you, very easy to install. I did it within an hour. So I'm going to show you here how this is going to work. Okay, so we are here at the jukebox, and I showed you earlier that if you open the jukebox, this is how you open it right here, and all the components are down inside. So down in there where the computer was, that's where the mechanism is, and you would just take that out as one unit. It's got like 4 bolts, slides right out. And then you notice it's got the songs, and here's the wall box. So you need to get a wall box that'll work with the jukebox, and they're on eBay all day long, various pricing. So I picked this one up for $75. I see them as high as $200. But you can't use the jukebox to run the computer because we've taken the mechanisms out of this. So everything's going to be run off the wall box. So if you notice, you just play it, it'll scan, and then you got music.
Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Do you say the same words to someone else when I'm not there? Suspicion. Or it's my heart.
So that's all there is to it. You could be into it for $500 max. But the best part about these, there's no maintenance. And I have it wired so that when I turn the jukebox on, it powers up the computer and the amplifier, and you're good to go and you're ready to party. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Why am I so doubtful whenever